If you live in high-rise apartments and these cracks, they produce a lot of sound when the wind is coming in, there's a simple solution. You can do that. Get your Canadian Tire or any ad paper, especially the Canadian Tire are better. Then this is the one. Fold them twice. Put two in one. Okay, so we're going to be folding this one this way and then 2-3 times like that, and I'll show you how it looks like. First fold looks like this. Second fold looks like this. Third fold looks like this. One last more fold. And the final fold looks like this. What you have to do is just put it in the crack. Pushing it, it depends also how wide is the crack that you have. So look at that. Done. So you're good to go. No, and if you want to open the door, open it and they will come out. Keep them inside. You can use them. I hope this helps.